Hello and welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest updates on finance, technology, and investing. Today, we're going to talk about the top 5 trading platforms in the world that every investor should know about. These platforms are known for their ease of use, robust features, and security. So, let's dive in. Robinhood. Starting off with Robinhood, this platform has become extremely popular among millennials for its commission-free trades and user-friendly interface. Robinhood provides access to various asset classes, including stocks, options, cryptocurrency, and ETFs. Additionally, Robinhood offers an easy-to-use mobile app, which makes trading on the go a breeze. E-Trade. Next up, we have E-Trade, which is one of the most established online brokers, having been in operation since 1982. E-Trade offers a broad range of investment products, including stocks, bonds, options, and mutual funds. It also provides a suite of tools and resources for traders to make informed decisions. Moreover, E-Trade's mobile app is rated highly by users for its user-friendly design and functionality. TD Ameritrade. Moving on to TD Ameritrade, this platform offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and options. TD Ameritrade's Thinkorswim platform is known for its advanced charting tools, which are popular among active traders. Additionally, the platform provides access to educational resources and a community of traders to share insights and strategies. Interactive Brokers. Next on our list is Interactive Brokers, which is a platform that caters to active traders who require advanced tools and features. Interactive Brokers provides access to a vast array of asset classes, including stocks, options, futures, and forex. The platform's Trader Workstation, TWS, is highly customizable, allowing traders to personalize their trading experience. Moreover, Interactive Brokers offers low commission rates and a vast selection of research and analytics tools. Charles Schwab. Lastly, we have Charles Schwab, which is a full-service brokerage that offers a broad range of investment products, including stocks, bonds, options, mutual funds, and ETFs. The platform also provides access to a variety of research and educational resources, including market insights, webinars, and articles. Charles Schwab is known for its exceptional customer service, low fees, and robust trading tools. These 5 trading platforms are some of the best in the world, catering to the needs of different types of traders. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you can find a platform that meets your trading requirements. Remember to do your research before choosing a platform and always prioritize security and reliability. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative.